Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels on a Canon MG5650. Now, we can do this from the printer itself using just the buttons on the front of the machine. So we need to use the up and down arrows to take us down to setup. From here, press the button underneath setup. You've got maintenance, but if you go along to the right, you can see estimated ink levels. So press OK to go in. And here you get a breakdown of all of the cartridges used by your printer and their estimated ink levels. Should give you a good idea as to what needs replacing and help make sure you've got all of the colours available for your machine. Now, I hope you found this useful. If you have, give us a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.